Right, guys, so just a short one today, just on entries and exits. Um, we're talking about it pretty much all last week, weren't we? So, um, Igor's done a video which is giving you basically his way is to get in when he sees the setup, and then if momentum flashes against him, he gets out. And then he adds extra to that, as you've all seen, right? But I mean, you can do that. The Giant's been doing it, and his losses have been tiny, and he's won every day when he's done it. Okay, so but this is just on, kind of what I've been saying about the Renkos this week. But just before we crack on, there's a few things um, to highlight. Okay, Hanzo. Right, mate. Just watch this was Friday, Hans. This is why I say, mate, you should just go with the flow. Right, just open it up a bit. Alright, let's do it there. This, Hanzo, was opening bell. And look what happened. Yes, you can see the line is red, by the way, guys. So this is another thing just before we crack on, right? You can change the colour of this. Right, if price goes below, right, change the colour of this line to red. Right? When it goes above, change it to green. And then it just helps you on your own charts. Okay, but this is what I mean, Hans. So, go with the flow, go with the flow, go with the flow. Okay. And if you'd have done that, Hans, so pretty much if you're looking at this, first one was down here, second there, come down to the BB band, third, fourth. There was one here, right, where I think was on the 1 hour BB band or orange line, and I think this one you might have had to get out. Okay, fine, you'd have got out with 10, 20 pip loss at the most. Okay, then it goes up. Yes, you might have lost this attempt up here, right? Because you're thinking, oh, it's above now, so I'll go at that. Okay, you might have lost that one, but then once that happened again, here, hands out, that was a 260, 270 pip move. All right, there was at least two in here. Yes, again, you've just had two massive big moves, so most people will take that, but again, you could, if it hadn't won for 50, 40 or 50 pips there, then you had plenty of time to get out, but then it's back on the 15-minute orange line and bang, bang. Okay, so that was Friday, and I was saying to Mickey about being picky about your exits, Mickey. Okay, so just having a look at the Renkos here. Sorry, the HA chart at the top. All right, and if you look at the BB band trades, one there, one here. That was a massive one, by the way. You see how it hits the orange line sometimes when momentum's high. Not the orange line, the EMA 18 there. Bang. That was very close to BB band. Could have had that. Another BB band trade here. You understand, Mickey? This is what I'm saying. If you're fussy, look at that one there. Flip down. BB band here. Bang. There. Bang. Here, Mickey. Bang. Bang. If you are prepared to wait for the HABB bands, Mickey, they're the ones where you get the best moves from. Okay, so you're looking at HABB band. Basically you would go with a flow. So it's either back in the road here or HABB band, Mickey. That's it. And then if you're going to use the Renko system, right? Use the Renko system. Okay, the reason I say with the Renkos, guys, is that it's crystal clear when to get in and get out. Do you understand these moves? It's like I've said in the past with okay, where have you gone? It's gone. I don't know where it is. It should have come on top, but anyway. Anyway, I'll have to look into that. It's the new screens, guys. I'll have to sort it out. Anyway, so Mickey in might have been out there if you left it 30 pips stop loss 10 20 against you before doing that. So there's that form of entry, or like I say, Igor's, and basically kind of what Igor does. I'll just give you a quick run by. He's probably made you a video, right? Great if you have Igor, right? And basically what he's looking for is his 15-minute orange line and then a 5-minute trade afterwards. You understand that that's what he's doing, right? But he generally gets in when he sees the setup. He doesn't wait for momentum to flash. What he does is he gets in, and if momentum flashes against him, he'll have a tight stop loss, and if momentum flashes against him, he's out. Right? But generally, once he's got his setup, like here, he's in before momentum flashing. Could have been down here when momentum flashed. This is generally what I've done for years anyway, guys. Just get in because I trust the setup. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick example of how Igor trades. Whoa, that's big. Okay, so we can see a couple of examples. There's some kind of news here or something at half it. Let's move on a bit. I'll just show you. Right. Where are we now then? Yeah, all these here. Look at these. This is when momentum is double, Mickey. It just goes off the. It's like a pullback, and then you should be looking for a green candle. Right, pull back, green candle, pull back, green candle. This is when momentum is double digit, guys. Okay, I'm not sure what day this was. It looks like I wonder if that was a Friday, January the 15th. It could have been NFP, that. Okay, right, but look at these. Mickey, Hansel, flip down BB band. I know it's against the flow. Okay, you probably don't have to trade this because it's basically a second move. All right, but it's the setup I'm showing you. Flip down BB band. Okay, it would have been this, either that or that candle there. In fact, that first yellow would be that candle. Okay, or you can just do it the Ego way. Get in and watch for momentum. Should we just have a look at that and see which kind of happened first? Right, so that's right. So what I'll do is I'll let it run from here. We'll just have a look. Go on, I said run. Better have a look at that. Right. No, it's not going to run, is it? No, you wouldn't. Right, so now we're pretty much at the BB band. It's the only thing we're letting it run, guys. What do you call it? It's the time, and I just have to wait. And I don't want this video to be anything more than about 15 minutes, guys, because it's only on entries and it's just a couple of tips for hands. Right, so there's your yellow flashing against you. Just wait. Okay. So in my last video, I said about looking for momentum or the Renko, and that's basically what you do. Okay, that's all you're looking for, and I mean, because this is against, I would want both anyway here, and you've just seen that you got a flash of red coming up, and then the Renko. But that, trading is not hard, guys. A lot of it is you go in the wrong direction, which is why I said to Hans, just keep going with the flow. Okay. And the other half of it is it's in your head. It's in your head, right? You think you're going to lose, okay, when you should be thinking, well, get some pips here. There's your momentum, you see. Flash, be in. Yes, you've seen it comes back a bit. There. You have a stop loss for a reason, and then it goes. All right. But again, this is the move here. Look, that there. Okay. Again, it was against the flow, but I'm just showing you the entries and kind of the exits, really, guys. Nothing else. Again, you see Hanzo. You could have been waiting for this move up here, which was pretty much off the 15-minute orange line. Okay, and then maybe even this next move that you saw that wins as well. Okay, I know there's a big setup, right? If you were interested in this setup, hands, you've got to wait for the rules. All right, that's why I'm saying no more second moves, mate. Just do go with the flow until you lose, because you will win so many more than you lose. Okay, and as you saw there, it goes up again and wins. Goes up, see, boom, nice winner. And for the most part, again there, for the most part, it kept going up. Another one here. Okay, and that's what they do. That's what go with the flow does. You know. Okay. So this is what you have to. I know what happened there. Right. Why the hell that went over there? I'll never know. Look at the size of that. I can hardly bloody see it. Is there some way to make that bigger? Display. Extended display. Looking. No, don't left right, doesn't matter. References. It's gotta be on here somewhere on it. Colours. No. Toolbar. Let's say size. Custom scale toolbar size, yeah. So, let's see what 50 does. That's better. There we go, see? It's always a way. So, yeah, I've got that working now, so that's alright. So, yeah, Hanzo, go with the flow, mate. Go with the flow. Right, here now, you can be thinking to yourself, mate, because you've closed well below. Alright, you've just had to bounce off the 15-minute orange line here. It might even go more, this. Okay, but, you shouldn't be thinking about reversing this till at least now. Alright, guys, this is important. You get this right, and you've cracked it, honestly. And that was the NAS. I thought I was looking at Dow then. Yeah, NAS. That was the Dow. There was the first move down. Here, right, and that was here. Look at it. And I reckon it was off a HABB. Let's go and have a look. Well, it wasn't. No, it was here, wasn't it? There. But, how was it? No, this one's this one now, isn't it? Yep. So, that one there, would have been your first trade down on the Dow. I mean, you could have had that on the NAS as your first trade down, I suppose, because it then closed below the 5-minute orange there. Okay, but again, these strong trends, they're very hard to turn around, and that's why, if you look at the actual rules, it says make sure price is closed above and below on the 15 and not the 5-minute time frame, right? We don't always get these really strong trends, and that's why we can use the 5-minute. Okay. Another one down here. There's an attempt there, and then that one. See it? And again, Mickey, look, HABB bonds. Okay. And there was another one after it there. Okay. Now You know, you understand, guys? So, reversing, yeah. Anyway, this was supposed to be a short video about entries. It's 15 minutes, guys. I don't want to make a mega video, okay? Because everything is the same. Go with the flow. Um, you know, as I've shown you on my own charts, go with the flow. Use either the Renko entry system, right, or momentum. But if you're going to use the ego way, guys, be ready to get out if it flashes against you, because you can always get in. You can always lose, 5, 8, 10 pips, and then win a 50 pipper. You understand, guys? So if you're going to use ego's way, do it. Okay, but do it that way. Make sure you get out. Stephanie and all, you need to find either use one of these stop loss systems, Steph. Seriously, because I know that you give a lot away, because you'll let something like this trade down here. You'd be in here, Stephanie, and thinking, "Oh, it's going to turn, it's going to turn, it's going to turn." And before you know it, you're 30 pips down, Steph. Your best bet is just saying, "You know what? It's I'm out on two opposite." And I mean that one would have, if you look at that there. Let's say you got in there, right? You would have been out on that candle there. Okay. I wonder why this is like this. Is it because of the resolution, guys? I think I might have to try and sort something out with this. What we on displays? Primary. That's not primary. Where have you gone over there now? I don't know. Extended display. What the hell? That's not a problem. There's preferences on it. Right. Colours are okay. Not bothered about hotkeys. Toolbar. Yeah. Colours. Settings. Anyway, this is for me to sort out, guys, not you. So yeah, that's just about covers it. It's not much, guys. Mickey, we're gonna push on this week, Mickey. You've got to click the button, mate. You've got to click the button. And if that means you're waiting for the HABB bands, fine, Mickey. That's where you'll get the better trades from. Okay? But you have to click the button. Don't wait for it to be down here before you start entering the trade. Okay? Get in straight away. All right, pal. All right, guys.